Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to bring you the latest information about the Vivo V27, one of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year. We'll be taking a look at its features, specs, and everything else you need to know. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the design. The Vivo V27 features a sleek and stylish design with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display that boasts an FHD Plus resolution. The phone has a 90 Hz refresh rate, making it great for gaming and streaming. It also has a waterdrop notch for the front camera and a slim bezel design that gives the phone a modern look. Moving on to the camera. The Vivo V27 comes with a triple-lens camera setup on the back. It has a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The camera also has a host of features including eye-powered night mode, portrait mode, and more. The front camera is a 44MP sensor with autofocus that takes stunning selfies and can also record 4K video. Under the hood, the Vivo V27 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It runs on FunTouch 12, which is based on Android 12. The phone also has a 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, giving you hours of uninterrupted usage. Other notable features of the Vivo V27 include an in-display fingerprint sensor, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a USB Type-C port. Overall, the Vivo V27 is an impressive smartphone with a great design, powerful specs, and a top-notch camera system. It's perfect for anyone who wants a phone that can keep up with their daily needs, whether it's gaming, streaming, or taking stunning photos. So, if you're in the market for a new smartphone, the Vivo V27 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.